Well, hold on, buddy. I'll tape you too. Good job, Dylan. Get your legs down. You get your legs down? Come see me. Come see me. There you go. Kick. Use your arms. Go, go, go. Good job. Oh, keep your mouth out of the water. You gotta get your legs down. You gotta move your legs, bud. You look like you're taking a nap. Go on, move your arms. You gotta keep your face up. Come on, come see me. Come see me. Come see me. Kick, 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 kick. Kick your legs. Whoa! Hey, swimmer. I want to see you do some flips.
Okay.
Come on, Dylan. Take a break. Come over here. Sit with me. Oh. Okay. Backflip.
First on the second step and then the first.
Okay. Two backflips. Right in a row. Two! That was awesome! Good job.
Back to the steps.
Okay, go ahead. He's doing so good swimming. Okay, front flip now.
Off the second step.
Okay. Nice one. Good job, buddy. I'm proud of you. You are swimming so awesome. Can you do just a jump off or a dive? Can you show me a dive?
Dive?
Yeah, like when you jump off the third step.
Yes, I may.
Oh, okay. Oops. All right. You're okay. Wow. Can you do a pencil jump?
Yes.
Okay. Silly, honey. Let go.
Off the third step.
Pencil jump off the third step. Got it.
Wait.
I know, Dylan. He is doing good, huh? Uh-huh. Oh.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Okay, sorry. Go.
Go, go.
Go, go. Good job, buddy. You gonna jump off the side for us?
Jump off the side?
Yeah.
With a noodle, okay?
Okay. What do you think? Should he do it? Jump off with a noodle? Should he? Honey, your noodles are right there on that side of the deck. Hurry up, run, run. You're on video, so you gotta go now before I run out of film. Nice job. That was good.
Bye.